So hi guys, in today's video I will demonstrate to you the safety measures, safety precautions, calibrations, and checking involved using multimeter.
Go.
So guys, as you can see, we have a analog multimeter here. So this is the test probes, the positive and the negative. So this is the needle pointer, the analog scale, the mechanical zero adjustment for needle pointer, the 0 ohms adjuster, the range selection, the range. So as you can see, range have a ACB, DCB, MA. That's all. So now let's talk about the safety and precautions for multimeter. For safety and precaution for multimeter, do not drop any meter. Do not touch the test pin when you are measuring. In using multimeter, just take it slowly in switching where did you want to test. Slow lang, kadang hinahinay na nimumukan ka. Tapos, never switch the range selection while the probes are connected to the circuit. Example, while measure ka, dili gyud nimo angay i-measure i-switch kay it can cause accident. Tapos do not overload the multimeter because it can cause damage. And now let's test the calibration of multitester. So I put times 1K. So just like this. As you can see, the pointer is moving like that. So make sure that the pointer is going to 0. So let's adjust the 0 ohms to go to 0 like that. So that's all. Thank you.